Save time and money with this laundry hack. Tired of waiting for hours for your clothes to dry in the dryer? Want to know how to dry your clothes faster without damaging them? Well, we've got the solution for you. By simply adding a towel to your dryer, you can reduce the drying time by 25%. Just throw a clean dry towel in the dryer with your wet clothes and watch the magic happen. The towel creates extra space for air circulation, improving the dryer's efficiency. It also absorbs moisture, reducing overall humidity. Take a clean, dry towel and add it to your dryer with your wet clothes. Set the usual drying cycle and turn it on. Once the cycle is done, remove the towel and voila! Your clothes will be dry faster than usual. This laundry hack not only saves you time but also money. By reducing drying time, you use less electricity, resulting in a lower bill. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to do your laundry. Give it a try and let us know in the comments if it worked for you. Do email or leave a comment under the video if it was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get alerts when I post new videos. You can also share the link to help friends and colleagues.